Hello, so today we're going to take a look at Usborne's Touchy Feely Sounds, and this one is Don't Tickle the Lion. I have also taken a look at Don't Tickle the Dinosaur before, which is also really cute. So these are adorable. It says, don't tickle the lion, you might make it roar, and then you press the furry patch, and you can hear it roar. The colors are gorgeous. I love the other animals, little meerkat, the birds. I have to let you hear the zebra because it is fantastic. That is what a zebra really sounds like. If you've never heard one, isn't that crazy? Zebra. And then we have the buffalo and the elephant. And then we have all the animals together. These little books are so cute. It has an on-off switch right here. And this book is $19.99. Thanks for watching.